O sige, hindi. Sige lang. Huwag kayo.
Video ba to?
Para, oo, video.
Wala akong matali yung taking, marakalya taking, finger piyanke.
Ay, sobra. Yung iPad niya, binigay namin sa kanya, hindi pa siya happy. Pinagpalit niya ng 32 gig. Tapos, yung with 3G pa.
Minuto mo na yan.
Except for the chicken with broccoli, in order namin sa Chinese. Ah, the adobo. Yung adobo is highly recommended dyan.
That's my favorite.
I think they will be told.
Si uncle mo, bine-brainwash niya itong dalawa. Kanina gusto niyang maging tennis player yung isa. You know, Lauren, with the three of you, you look like sisters.
No, Lauren, I think you've grown taller.
It's like you look like sisters
It's so
now.
Probably
unfair.
5,
What she do? Lala, what did she do that you wish that you're alone with Lala? Oh, yeah, who did that? Who did that? You did? Can I see it?
Teka, dapat si Hayes palang kunan natin ng marami dahil he's always behind the lenses. In the process, wala siyang mga pictures.
Picture ako.
Alright, let's go and see. So, let me just get
Eh, yung suka para sa lumpia, ayan.
And then you guys are going to San Diego.
You're going to San Diego?
If you want wine, my dear, they're over there. The ice is sa dispenser na lang.
Yeah. You never know. You never know.
You must be proud of this speaker. I am, yes.
Aba, yung dance na dahil siya la pa yung linggo. Kaya meto,
Hannah, days I didn't do anything. I ate whatever I wanted to eat. Your future husband,
pero hindi sa may pag-competition nini, may pag-competition lang. Apat na klase yan.
Your future husband?
Happy birthday, dear.
Your future husband? Your future husband?
You see all the pictures, they were just together and
Kinuha naman na sila eh.
Pinunan ko na.
No, turn it off.